Hey guys, I'm Yashwant Rajput and welcome in Yes English Point. In this video, I'm going to teach you something which is very relevant for each and every English learners. The problem which we face most of the time, obviously it is the video for non-native speakers. What happens with non-native speakers that they are not able to understand any native speaker or any fast English speaker. Sometimes we can say like this that I can speak and I know English, but when we talk about any native speaker, what to do? I am unable to understand. Even I have been trying for a long time to do the same, that how to understand a native speaker, but I am unable to get any kind of result. I speak very well with my friends, with my classmates, with my any other person also in my country. But as we talk about any foreigners or any native speakers, I am unable to utter even a single words. Then what's the reason? So I am going to tell first of all a very well example. I think with the help of that example, you will get a clear picture. Whatever I am saying, is it correct or not? For example, suppose you are going to meet a person who is coming from a native speaker. For example, he is coming from England and you are going to meet him or her. When you meet him or her first time, what will happen? Will you be able to identify him? Because you didn't see him before. Will you able to identify him or not? Your answer will be no. How can it be possible? Obviously, you will have to call him or her and you will have to tell your location that I am standing here or there. Then it will be possible to meet with each other. It happens most of the time when we go to airport or station to pick someone from there. This is the method by which we can easily identify the person. Same thing. When your language is not English, you are a non-native speakers, then why are you thinking like this, that I can learn English in a very easy methods or easily? Not, it's not possible. It is also like that foreigners or that native speakers. So first of all, what you will have to do, you will have to be familiar with English. And how you will be familiar? You will have to interact with some speakers, some native speakers. You will have to make that kind of surroundings around you. With the help of that surroundings, you will have to be interact on the regular basis with those peoples or friends, by which you will be able to understand some of the words. I am not saying that you will be able to get all kinds of speaking whatever he or she is speaking. So now, how can we resolve this problem and what can we do for understand? So for my suggestion is this also. First of all, try to listen more and more. And how to listen, that is also the biggest problem. How to listen, just observe my things, observe my saying, whatever I am going to tell you. With the help of any video, any audio, you have to do these things regularly. And by doing this, just not watch the videos. First of all, suppose you are playing a video and you are not able to understand what the other person is saying in the video. So what you have to do, you have to just go on that play speed button and just slow down the button and again try to listen the videos. And if you are not able to understand now also, then please just again go on the play button or play speed button and just reduce that speed, okay, and reduce till then you will be able to understand each and every words. Here the one thing is also that don't think that if you are getting a general idea of the whole discussion, whole speakings, whatever the other person is saying, that is not going to be helpful for you. You have to understand each and every words, the words which they interconnect each other, which they mix the one words to another's. The some words they speak like they have removed something from the sentence. So you have to just completely get the point, get the idea of the videos, of the words. That will be the thing that you have to do. Second thing, listening music songs, but with the help of subtitles. Because if you listen the songs on the with the help of subtitles, then you will be able to understand the songs. And now here what I have told you, that just go on the play speed button and reduce the speed. But as you able to understand that reduce voice or that reduce words in that reduce speed, then what you have to do, just after 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 10 days, after 20 days, just improve and just increase that play speed. And after 1 or 2 months, then you will be able to understand each and every words. And after that, just try to listen that video and that words on a general speed. Whatever the speed is given by a video generally, just try to listen that. And now what to do, try to take a pen and copy and try to write those words also, whatever you are listening on the videos. And now find out that how many words, with the help of subtitles, that how many words have you written correctly and how many mistakes have you done in the videos. And do this, keep doing this until you have completely improved yourself. Even there should not be even a single mistakes in your writing and the subtitles. That will be the good way to understand the native speakers. And I think by doing this continuously, it is the thing that you have to do regularly with the help, with full consistency. Don't do it for a once or twice. It is my suggestion in each videos. And after that, definitely you will be able to get each and everything. And one more thing I would like to add in this video, that if you are watching any videos, just don't try to watch like single kinds of videos. Try to watch the videos different kinds of sources, like educational videos, sometimes any other accent videos like American accent, then Australian accent, then British accent. These things you have to do, because if you become habitual of any one accent, then you won't be able to understand any other accent. So keep it in mind, this thing also, because it's very matters. When you will be habitual for one speakers, then definitely you will be able to understand perfectly for that particular speaker. But as you move yourself towards any other speaker, what will happen, that you won't be able to understand. Then the same problem with you. So don't face the problems like this again. So what you have to do, sometimes any educational videos, sometimes even try to change the subject also, like environment related issues, like any physical related issues, like any sometimes cooking related issues. So these kinds of videos you have to focus on, and like any medical related videos. So these things you have to do, and try to hear different or various speakers also. Don't be stuck with any one speaker. This is also my points in this video. So I think if you do it regularly with a consistency, then you will get a huge result, guys. So I think in this video that's enough for me, and I hope that you will definitely get a lot of things from this video. And if you get any kind of benefits from these videos, then please, I also expect the same thing from your side, that please subscribe this video and share also with your friends if you like it. That's the condition. Thank you guys. Bye.